Patricia Cameron, and I'm the Executive Director for the Calgary Humane Society. And Lucy is a very special dog, a very loving, playful dog who we found as a stray. And she was incredibly thin and also had a condition called demodectic mange, which is non-contagious. It can't be caught by people or other animals. Demodectic mange is caused by a mite that all animals and all people harbor on their body, but if the immune system bottoms out, it can get away and it plugs up hair follicles, causing hair loss in patches. Now when you look at Lucy, she's an absolutely beautiful dog, and all you can see is a few thin spots right now, so it's not a really bad case. But she will need care for a number of weeks and careful monitoring of the condition. Sometimes the actual large shelter environment, which we have, can just be a stressful environment for animals, and therefore their immune system continues to be somewhat suppressed if they don't respond well to our environment. We currently shelter 8,500 animals a year, and a huge volume of those are cats. And so in that case, there's a lot of animals, and this could be causing Lucy some stress. And we are just very grateful to Bow Valley. They're able to provide a more intimate, smaller shelter environment that will probably give her a lot of respite from the constant barrage of noises and comings and goings in a larger shelter environment. And they've agreed to offer her the kind of treatment that she needs for the demodectic mange. And so, it is our belief that euthanasia will end. There'll be a number of solutions to euthanasia, and one of them is collaboration among animal welfare and rescue groups. And it's really a wonderful thing to see our neighbors in Canmore reach out in that way and provide that kind of support for Lucy, and also a number of cats that they're taking in. So we really thank you very much for that.